my channel. I am Maricita Colors in English. Hello my dear friends, today I will make in crochet this nice apple. It's a beautiful applique that we can use for decorate headbands, penny hats, cardigans, bags and so on. I begin with a magic ring and I use the double crochet. And forgive the form of my apple, I use single crochet combined with double crochet. For finish, I made a little leaf and one stem. I want to invite you to subscribe here in my channel, Maricita Colors in English. It's total free. And remember, activate the bell for that you receive the post when I have a new video. So now we will learn to make this nice apple. Here I show you the little leaf and the stem. I use double crochet and I made increases. I use the hook number 3,50 millimeters, a needle for 2 yarns and 1 scissors, and the yarns of 3 colors, red, brown and green. I make first one magic ring. I involve my finger with the yarn. The long yarn is in the back. I insert the hook in the ring. I bring the yarn. Slow, I make out my finger. And here I will make 2 chains like the first double crochet. Into the ring I will make 11 double crochet. Plus these 2 chains will be like 12 double crochet all together. So we begin to make the double crochet. Here I show you in a slow camera how I make the double crochet. Yarn over, we insert the hook into the ring, we bring 1 loop, yarn over, and we pass for 2, yarn over, and we pass for the last 2. I come back when I have the 12 double crochet. Varetas o puntos altos en español. Here I will count. The first chains are the first double crochet, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and I have 13, so I must make out 1, and now I have 12 double crochet. I close the magic ring when I pull the yarn of the begin. Now I will join with 1 slip stitch in the second chain of the begin. The slip stitch, only we pass the yarn into the stitches. And now we finish the first round. Now I will make 2 chains like the first double crochet. This is the second round. I will duplicate. In every stitch I will make 2 double crochet. Look. Together the chains I make 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch I show you where I insert the hook. I make 2 double crochet. Dos varetas or puntos altos en español. So at the end of this round we must have 24 double crochet. When we make 2 stitches in 1 stitch, this is 1 increase. Now for finish, I make again the slip stitch into the second chain of the begin. Here I have the 24 double crochet. And I make the slip stitch. Now for make the third round, I will make one chain like the first single crochet. This is the center of my apple. Into the same stitch, I will make one single crochet. So it's like I have two single crochet together. The first chain is the first single crochet, remember. Into the next stitch, I will make one single crochet alone. Into the next stitch, I will begin the double crochet. So I will make two double crochet in one stitch. We alternate now the increases. Here I have two double crochet together. Into the next stitch, I will make one double crochet alone. And into the next stitch, I will make two double crochet together. I make two together and one alone, two together and one alone, until that I have 12 double crochet. This will give the form of one apple. Here I make one double crochet alone, that is the number 12. And now I will make 6 single crochet, but always making the increases. So I must make into the next stitch 2 single crochet together, and into the next 1 single crochet alone. Into the next 2 single crochet together. We must have 6 single crochet all together. And for finish, I make the single crochet alone, that is the number 6. And now I will repeat the 12 double crochet. So into the next stitch, I must make 2 double crochet together. Into the next stitch, I make 1 double crochet alone. And again 2 double crochet together. We make increases, but we alternate the increases with 1 stitch alone. Here almost I finish the 12 double crochet. I make 1 because before I make 2 double crochet together. And now I must complete the 6. In the beginning we make 3 single crochet. So here into the next stitch I make 2 single crochet together, and the last single crochet alone. And we complete with the 3 of the begin. All together are 6. Into the next stitch only we make the slip stitch. And ready. We pass again the yarn, cut the yarn, and we close our thread. I push for that my work is uniform. Now I will make the leaf. I pass or insert the hook into the same stitch where I cut. I make 1 chain of join. Now I will make 8 chains. 8 cadenetas en español. 7 and 8 chains. I skip the first stitch, and we go into the next, and I will make 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, I will make 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch, I will make 1 double crochet. And into the next stitch I will make one treble crochet, that is 2 times the yarn over the hook. We insert into the stitch, we bring one loop, yarn over, we pass for 2, yarn over, we pass for 2, yarn over, and we pass for the last 2 loops. And now we make one double crochet. The stitches give the form of a leaf, hoja en español. Now I will make again one half double crochet, and for finish I will make one single crochet. Into the same stitch where I begin, I will make one slip stitch for join. I will pass again the yarn into the stitch, cut the yarn, and we finish to pass the yarn into the last stitch. Now with the brown yarn I will make the stem, rama en español. We insert the hook into the next stitch, pass the yarn, and I will make one chain for join and 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 chains. Now I will skip the next stitch and I will make in every stitch one single crochet. We make now the stem, tallo or rama en español. So here I make only single crochet. Now for finish the stem, I insert the hook into the same stitch of the begin. I make one slip stitch, I pass the yarn again, cut the yarn, and I finish to pass the yarn, and ready. Now for the reverse, I will show you how to sew the yarn. I only pass the needle into the center of the stitches. You must make not so tight. Look, you don't see the needle into the front of my leaf. When you see that it's secure, you can cut. With the red yarn into the reverse, I make a loop and I pass the needle into this loop for make more secure my thread. And I start to pass the needle into the center of the stitches. And we have ready our beautiful apple in crochet. It's very nice and easy to make. You can decorate all that you want. I want to invite you to subscribe here in my channel, Maricita Colors in English. It's totally free. Remember, activate the bell for that you can receive the post when I have a new video in my channel. You can find me too in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you like this video, you can give one like and share it with your family and friends. We see us until my next crochet or knitting pattern. Ciao, ciao!